Okay, Nicole, how do you feel about finally reaching this day?
I'm really excited, and I'm glad it's finally official.
So, why Grand Valley State? What made you decide to go there?
I love the players and the coaches, and everyone's so nice down there, and it's a great campus.
What about the fact that Megan Crow is also going to be playing there?
I'm really excited Megan's going there, and I'm glad that we get to finally be on the same team.
Now, she said earlier at her signing today that you convinced her to go there.
Yeah, I think I had a big part in it. She was like deciding between some colleges, but I think I finally talked her into it.
Okay, what are you going to be studying when you get down there?
I'm thinking health and information management.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.